कि अगर आप कालीन भैया को उन पे अटैक करना चाहते हैं तो यू हैव टू डू इट ऑन अ न्यूट्रल ग्राउंड, नॉट इन हिज टेरिटरी। हो सकता है कालीन और शरद की ही ये कुछ मिली जुली वो है चीज, तो है या इट्स वेरी एक तीसरी टीम अलग बनी है सीजन 3 बनते बनते
हाँ।
बनते बनते, तो शरद शुक्ला की टीम है।
नमस्कार दर्शकों, आप देख रहे हैं इंडिया न्यूज और न्यूज एक्स, और आज हमारे साथ जुड़ गए हैं मिर्जापुर सीजन 3 की जान शरद शुक्ला, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टर्स, उल्फ अंजुम शर्मा। सो वेरी वेरी वेलकम टू दिस शो। एंड जिस हिसाब से मिर्जापुर ने धूम मचाई है, वी कांट वेट टू स्टार्ट दिस इंटरव्यू। सो वेलकम टू आवर शो एंड आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेरी वेल।
थैंक यू सो मच। या आई एम गुड, वेरी हैप्पी, गुड स्पेस, एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच। आई होप यू आर गुड टू ऑल्सो। कहाँ हैं आप? बॉम्बे में, बाहर, कहाँ?
हम सर दिल्ली के अंदर हैं, एंड बट नाउ कमिंग टू मिर्जापुर, everyone is talking about it, but as you know, the main character of season 3, how do you feel of the success about Mirzapur? Like everyone's talking about you, about your fans.
Yeah, I mean, it feels nice. There is a sense of satisfaction because
Mhm.
primarily because there are, as an actor you make certain choices. Ki,
Exactly.
especially not only in this season but in the earlier seasons also. So there is a trajectory which you are following. Dheere dheere, gradually you are moving forward with the different choices
Yeah.
every time, every season, especially between season 2 and season 3. The character has changed
Mhm.
drastically, like in terms of
Immensely. Yeah.
yeah, in terms of its growth, its scale and everything. Like there are the perception has also changed. For very interestingly, in season 2, the character was seen as an antagonist in that kind of a guy. But now after season 3, as you are also mentioning, and the sentiments have been similar everywhere. The character Sharad Shukla is seen as the protagonist of the season, somebody who is coming out really बहुत ज्यादा पावर है, बहुत ज्यादा, there is a lot of layers in it. There is an emotional layer which was added in this season to the character. And the way the character is
Exactly.
mounted, the way the character is mounted this season has a lot of layers, a lot of drama in it. And it's also a very archetype kind of things which the character has. जैसे कि अगर आप किसी भी classical एक you see how a character is mounted in terms of its heroic abilities, his strength, his the way he thinks, the cerebral uh, frequency, and the bhokal
Frequency.
element,
Yeah.
and the bhokal element of Mirzapur, both are collaborated in a very correct.
Yeah, you have to come together, and yeah, and especially seeing from season one, the character is like Bahubali ka beta who doesn't want to do this, and eventually he becomes the king of Mirzapur. And what happens is what happens. But the truth remains कि आखिरी गद्दी पे तो आप ही बैठे. Again, what was the journey for you? From season one, you had a very different role, and as an actor, from season one to season 3, the way you look, it's very different. Compliments to the way you had your muscle, you gained your muscle, but वो भौकाल वाला एलिमेंट वो दिमाग में लाना, how did that work for you from season 1 to season 3? And also tell us about how did you do the gains and that muscle that you had for the season 3.
So basically, the thing is, often when you are working and you are starting your shoot and your prep in Mirzapur, I would mainly say about
Mm.
season 2 and season 3, because season 1 mein it was just an introduction which the character had, though it was very important.
Exactly.
Because the scene which we shot, which was my introduction scene, वो बहुत ही कंस्ट्रक्शन उसका बहुत ही ड्रामेटिक था और बहुत सही था। कि एक नया लड़का बाहर से आया है, who actually belongs to this world,
हाँ.
does not want to be in a part of this world. वो आता है, there is a conflict which he shows कि मुझे नहीं इस दुनिया का हिस्सा बनना है, लेकिन फिर भी उसके बाद भी he suggests his father, and he's commenting on one of the powerful characters of season 1, कालीन भैया एंड मुन्ना, कि अगर आप कालीन भैया को उन पे अटैक करना
Exactly.
चाहते हैं, तो you have to do it on a neutral ground, not in his territory. And also he's seeing Munna as not
हाँ.
somebody very important. He says कि यार वो तो कमजोर कड़ी है, तो आप उस पे ध्यान मत दीजिए. You focus on Kalin Bhaiya.
Not as a threat. The character
Yeah,
is not.
it's not a threat.
Yeah.
You focus on Kalin Bhaiya. So
Yeah.
these things tell us that it's a very, though it is just one introduction, but the character has been placed very strongly in the season, in the story.
From the
And
day
then
one, yes, we also as an audience knew that this character is going to be very strong. But
yeah,
yes, also sorry to interrupt you in between, but the connect from season second end, how it ended, you were saving Kalin Bhaiya. Season three end, Kalin Bhaiya ditched you, and you know what happened. But as on a personal level, now as not as the character, as Anjum Sharma, now अब आप पंकज त्रिपाठी या कालीन भैया की टीम में हो या आप गुड्डू भैया की टीम में, क्योंकि गुड्डू भैया से सीजन थ्री में जितनी नोकझोंक हुई तो हुई, बट धोखा तो कालीन भैया नहीं दिया.
अब मुझे तो लगता है एक तीसरी टीम अलग बनी है सीजन 3 बनते बनते
हाँ,
बनते बनते, जो शरद शुक्ला की टीम है, जिसमें
शरद शुक्ला की टीम.
इसमें कालीन भैया भी हैं. हाँ, आई थिंक देयर इज, व्हाट इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंगली व्हाट हैज हैपेंड इज लाइक इवन बिटवीन गुड्डू एंड शरद देयर हैज बीन अ क्लोजर देयर. लाइक यू
या.
नो द शरद हैज मूव्ड ऑन, and there is and you know this, so is life. And also जिस तरीके से आपकी कहानी आगे बढ़ती है, you also have to, as a maker I'm saying, as a writer also I'm saying, you cannot hold on to one thing, be it revenge, be it something. You can hold on to that beat for a very long time, otherwise it becomes boring. So at some
या.
point we had to go, जिस तरीके से शरद का जो स्ट्रेंथ है, जो पावर है, जो भौकाल है, वो बढ़ता जाता है. It was very important for him that he leave the trivial things. Like for example, yes, there was a major revenge thing which was happening between him and Guddu, but the ultimate ambition and the goal for Sharad was to get the Gaddi, which he
हम्म.
is which he's also doing it for his father. तो वो जो चीज थी, जब वो होती जा रही है, when we see eventually कि he is actually very close to the throne, the entire, all the different Bahubalis, everybody, all the statesmen are seeing him as the new king of Mirzapur. So he also move on from that revenge thing. So he kind of, so
Revenge
there is
thing.
closure there also with Guddu कि ठीक है, अब हम बदला नहीं, बदलाव को चुनते हैं. So that's where he's
बदला.
moving, that's how he's moving ahead to his throne. तो वो एक चीज है बढ़िया. मतलब अब तो सारी चीजें ओपन है, गुड्डू के साथ भी एक अलाई बन सकती है, हो सकता है कालीन और शरद की ही ये कुछ मिली जुली वो है चीज. तो या इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट कि आप किसी की भी टीम में हो
ये
सकते
दिस
हैं.
दिस दिस इज अ कॉन्स्पिरेसी थ्योरी जो आप दे रहे हो, और ऑडियंस पागल हो जाएगी कि अगर शरद शुक्ला क्या पता सीजन फोर में वापस तो नहीं आ जाएंगे, कुछ
लेकिन
वो निकलेगा.
तो नहीं, मैं तो आई तो वुड नीदर डिनाई और नीदर अप्रूव ऑफ ऑल दिस. कुछ भी हो सकता है, बट द पॉइंट इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंगली आई हैव बीन आल्सो सीइंग दीज थियरीज, देयर वीडियोस व्हिच दीज ब्लॉगर्स आर मेकिंग, कि कैसे दिस इज, आई मीन यू नो, एंड इवेंचुअली व्हाट इट टेल्स me is the impact of the character and the impact of the story, that they are seeing
हम्म.
something, but they are also seeing some other theories which are making them feel कि अरे हाँ ठीक है. So there is a video which I saw कि you know the end thing where he sits on the throne. So there is one narrative which they are saying कि
हाँ.
okay, this is what happens, which happens in the story. Then they rewind and they come back to a point and they say कि no, you know, see, Kalin Bhaiya has actually shot him in a place where he should only get injured. And then when the other cop, वो अपनी बंदूक उसकी तरफ तानता है, शरद की तरफ, तो वो नीचे कर देते हैं. And then he makes him sit on the throne and he leaves away with the cop. So that
हाँ.
Sharad could actually escape. Matlab, this is a theory which is just anyways there, and people are really trying to
इट्स वेरी मच पॉसिबल.
but going back to what you were also talking about, ki, what did I do with the muscle thing and all that? So that came from season two, between season 2 and season 3, when there were a couple of sequences which the director was planning. Ki there would be a fist fight, hand on hand combat between Sharad and Guddu. So the thing is, it was very important. Like I only came up with this thing. You see, if even if it is even if it is happening for a fraction of a second, but it has to look believable. So if
करेक्ट.
these, and Guddu already had an image. So if Sharad is actually hitting him and he's taking an impact, मतलब अगर आप देखिए पूरे season 3 में, if you have noticed, Guddu has a
हाँ.
scar.
द फेस ऑफ इट वाज वेरी स्ट्रांग. जब जौनपुर when he
Yeah,
yeah
yeah. Also in the entire season, in season 2 and season 3, Guddu has a scar on his eye. If you've noticed, he
mm,
has a scar on his eye. That scar has been
yeah yeah
given to Sharad in season 2 when he hits him with that crutch. In season 2, जब वो fight होती
yeah
है,
oh
आता
yes
है, so
yes now I'm
that
connecting.
is yeah, so that is the scratch which he gets, and that has been continuity. That also became a continuity for his character in the entire season 3. Season 3 में हमने उसके बारे में कोई
Exactly.
भी बात नहीं की, लेकिन
बात नहीं की exactly.
that's a continuity thing which has been
Yeah,
going on.
I also did not figure it out, but I
Yeah.
exactly, exactly. And
So,
yes, the thing that you mentioned, the physically when Guddu Pandit goes to Jaunpur to find Golu, and
yeah.
then you come and there's this face of kind of a thing, कि तुम चलाओ गोली तुम चलाओ, and when you were standing in front of each other, like I was like, ki, okay. And also that brings me to a question. I've seen this, and suddenly people around you have recognized, Arey, Sharat Shukla. And then
Yeah.
they came out. So what was that fan experience
So, but इसलिए वो बहुत
like?
it was very important initially to actually create that image. मतलब जब ये फेस ऑफ होगा तो वो लगना चाहिए कि दो बाहुबलियों एक दूसरे के सामने उनकी टक्कर हो रही है, और वो इमेज जो है, सो इट्स अ विजुअल मीडियम, ठीक है, आप लिखने पे कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं कि
Yeah.
उस आदमी इतने लोग हैं, वो पूरी दुकानें बंद कर दी उसने, वो 3 टेम्पो भर के लेके आया, ये है जौनपुर में खड़ा है मैं, तो ही इज एनीवेज मोर पावरफुल, बट ऑल दिस इज इंफॉर्मेशन. What you
Ah,
see has to have an impact. So I felt कि because of that visual, I need to look in a certain way to have an impact on that scene and on the whole image of Sharad Shukla, especially in season 3. So इसीलिए there was a very conscious choice of taking 3 months and making that physique with a trainer, with proper diet, everything, so that I look that, that size, you see that size of a Bahubali in the season.
so I was
It,
asking, what was the diet plan that helped you build such a good body within 3 to 4 months?
so it was basically because we had to have that kind of a size. So it was majorly a high diet on protein. It was a certain amount of exercises which we were doing. It was a very classical way of exercising where you do major big body parts, chest, shoulder, legs, triceps. So you concentrate on each and every body part on an individual day because you wanted to have that size. So, and the food
Exactly.
the whole day used to be, I mean, 3 2 3 months, even while we were shooting, even before that. My whole day used to be workout किया, क्या खाया, कितना खाना है, कितने बार खाना है. मतलब I used to even wake up like days when I used to sleep at 11:30 or 10:30, but there was still one
Mhm.
small meal, that protein intake, which had to happen in the middle of the night. So I used to just get up and have that little whatever eggs and whatever.
What
So just
usually was that protein intake?
eggs, eggs.
Eggs.
So
Okay, so in the middle of the night, you used to wake up
yeah,
just to eat the eggs.
yeah. So because I personally believe in having, even if I'm creating certain kind of a body, but I want to go the natural way. So that was one of the things. So then the thing is, if you are depending on natural ingredients, then you have to eat a lot, because everything
Exactly.
you, yeah, it's an oral intake which you're eating. Basically, it is only coming through food. So you have to eat a lot. और आप कितना खाओगे एक बार में, मतलब एक बार में आप इतना ही खा सकते हो. So you have to divide your food through the day for 24 hours. तो वो एक कुछ होता था जो हमको चाहिए होता था, because early morning when I used to wake up, सबसे पहले वर्कआउट शुरू करते थे. तो इसलिए
Mm.
उसके पहले योर बॉडी नीड्स टू हैव अ सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोटीन इनटेक, सो दैट वो प्रोसेस होगा, और जब आप वर्कआउट शुरू करोगे तो तब आपके बॉडी में प्रोटीन होगा. तो ये सारी
Ah,
चीजें इतनी ज्यादा मेटिकुलस थी उस दौरान. तो वो सब मेहनत करके फाइनली द थिंग इज कि अब वो दिख रहा है, लोग उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, और इट हैज टू हैव एन इम्पैक्ट फॉर द कैरेक्टर. सो अगर वो वर्क कर रहा है, सो ऑल द मेहनत इज, जैसे बोलते हैं ना, रंग लाइए टाइप्स.
justified, exactly. And sir, one last question before we go. So you started your journey with Slumdog Millionaire, and the first movie you did, it went on to win the Oscars. So कहीं ना कहीं did it give a confidence to you कि okay, ये luck आया, मैंने पहली मूवी की वही Oscars चली गई, and did that have an impact on your entire journey, because it's been a lot of years, and now after Mirzapur you've got such an appreciation, but you were always a mind blowing actor.
मतलब हाँ, वो मतलब जब स्लमडॉग एक्चुअली जब हुई थी या जब की भी थी, तब तो वो ऐसा लगता था कि कोई आप वो क्रॉसओवर फिल्म कर रहे हो, क्योंकि बहुत ही छोटी
Hmm.
सी फिल्म थी वो जब वो बन रही थी। तो हमने तो उस समय तो आई जस्ट डिड इट बिकॉज इट वाज माय फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस टू फेस द कैमरा, सो आई जस्ट डिड इट,
Exactly.
a very different emotion. But then obviously when the film became Slumdog Millionaire and it won an Oscar for best film, especially the Oscar for best film was technically, it's an award which is appreciated, which is like an appreciation for the effort of the entire unit. Like everybody, from a technician to an actor
Hmm.
to a producer, everybody share that contribution when the film gets a an Oscar for the best film. क्योंकि वो एक पूरी फिल्म के लिए होता है.
Exactly.
So yeah, I mean, it
Ah.
was a great experience, and I still remember somebody told me, "Ki, see now, whatever you do in your life, you have just started your journey. You will do so many things. You will go on, but in your resume now, whatever you do in life from here, your first film ever will always be an Oscar-winning film." So it was a
An Oscar
great,
winning. Yeah, that's something different.
yeah. So
Exactly.
it was a great thing to start off your. I mean, it's a very unique thing to start off your career with an Oscar winning film. मतलब कितने लोग हैं जिन्होंने शायद अपना करियर शुरू किया है एक ऑस्कर विनिंग फिल्म से. तो इट वाज गुड एंड
बहुत ही
या
शायद रेयरली बहुत ही कोई है ही नहीं.
हाँ.
And but अब
तो
आखिरी में मिर्जापुर सर, what's the one favorite dialogue? There are immense amounts of dialogues. There's one favorite dialogue and one favorite scene from season 3 and from entire जो आपको favorite लगता है.
मतलब एक्चुअली व्हाट, फ्रैंकली ऑनेस्टली मैं ये कहूंगा कि आई वाज क्वाइट लकी इन सीजन 3 टू गेट सो मेनी गुड सीन्स व्हिच वर रिटन वेरी वेल, व्हिच हैड सो मच ऑफ ड्रामा इन इट, बी इट लाइक चाहे वो पंकज जी के साथ जो सीन है जिसमें मैं बात करता हूँ कि आप ही ने उस आप ही ने गुड्डू को गुंडे से राक्षस बनाया, और बदले में उसने हमारे पिताजी और
Exactly.
आपके बेटे की हत्या कर दी,
हाँ.
गलती कर दी. तो वो सीन इतना
हाँ.
बड़ा ड्रामेटिक बीट था वो कि शरद शुक्ला पहली बार कालीन भैया को कह रहा है कि गलती कर दी है आप, और वो सुन रहे हैं बिकॉज ही ऑल्सो रियलाइजेस कि हाँ किया तो उन्होंने ही है. और वो सीन कि भाई अब आप ही के हाथ में है कि क्या होगा, दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी नाइस सीन. देन देयर इज अनदर फेस ऑफ इज डेफिनेटली वन सीन, बैठक, जो फर्स्ट
हाँ.
बैठक है जिसमें वो
अब नया गद्दी का.
गद्दी का हकदार, जिसमें वो कह रहा है कि भाई बहुत जल्द पूरा पूर्वांचल डोलेगा, शरद शुक्ला बोलेगा. बट
हाँ.
एक एक बहुत अच्छी मतलब so so many lines, so many scenes, but there's one scene which and also there's one scene which I want to share with you कि if you remember this सीजन 1 में क्लाइमैक्स में जब अखंडानंद का एक डायलॉग था जिसमें वो मौर्य को बोलते हैं कि मौर्य जी, जिस शहर में नौकर बन के आए हैं आप, हम मालिक हैं उस शहर के. कैन यू हियर मी? कैन
Remember
यू
that?
हियर
I
मी?
remember that. Yeah, yeah. I
या
can hear you. You can
तो वो
say that
कहते हैं
dialogue once again. It will
वो
be.
कहते हैं कि कालीन
हाँ.
भैया कहते हैं मौर्य को कि मौर्य साहब, आप जिस शहर में नौकर बन के आए हैं, हम मालिक हैं उस शहर के. तो
उस शहर
सेम
के.
सेम थिंग सीजन 3 के क्लाइमैक्स में, समथिंग सिमिलर आई एम सेइंग टू द गाय मुनावर जो पश्चिम से आता है कि मुनावर
हाँ.
साहब, जिस क्षेत्र में आप मेहमान बन के आए थे, उसका मालिक बनने का सपना कब देख लिए. तो इट्स वेरी सिमिलर बिकॉज वी वर क्रिएटिंग अ पैरेलल बिटवीन अखंडानंद एंड शरद शुक्ला.
Anand
बट
Sharad Shukla.
एक एक लाइन है जो मेरी बहुत मतलब मुझे पसंद है, और वो दैट डिफाइन शरद शुक्ला इन द लेगेसी, दैट वाज आल्सो इन द ट्रेलर कि मिर्जापुर में पावर हमेशा गद्दी की रही और मुकाबला दावेदारों का. खेल आज भी वही है, बस मोहरे बदल गए.
Wow, 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 wow. And this was a dialogue that was worthy being in the trailer. And तख्त पलटा भी, फिर उसके बाद कहानी भी पलट गई. And Mirzapur has always rocked us with the story. But it was absolutely lovely talking to you, sir. The
थैंक यू.
motivation from Slumdog Millionaire to Mirzapur, Sharad Shukla as a character, the work that you've done in season 3, your body, your acting, and the conspiracy theories that have been going around. And I'm glad that you are acknowledging them too. The fans will be glad too. So it was lovely talking to you. We wish you all the best for your future endeavors and keep entertaining us just like you always do.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you.